back to my channel, you guys. There is a challenge that I have been wanting to do, and it's not really a challenge because it is aligning in a way. I don't know if you've heard of the 75 hard challenge made by some guy. I do apologize, I don't know his name, but I know of the challenge. Like a gallon of water a day, this and that. I wanted to come up with my own challenge for 25 days, and it's not a 25 hard challenge. It is a 25 align challenge, because when I hear hard, I'm like, my brain is like, I don't like that. Why would I want to do something hard when I could do something that is aligning but still gives me the same type of results, right? This is how it's gonna go. I want to come along with you, you come along with me, we come along together, we do this together, because this is gonna be a team effort. I'm challenging myself. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm challenging myself to post daily about my day and check-ins. We're gonna be holding each other accountable. This is for you and I. You and me, you and I. We together, we go together. 1, we're gonna journal for 10 to 15 minutes a day. Reflect on your day, feelings and growth. Write down your goals, intentions, affirmations. You could brain dump, just journal 10 to 15 minutes a day. Set your timer, you got this. Reading 10 pages daily. That is throughout the day. You could either read them in the morning, read them in the middle of the day, read them at night, or spread them throughout the day. Just 10 pages. And then when you realize how easy 10 pages is, you could do more, but don't overwhelm yourself. But if you can do more at the time and you have the energy to, do more, read more. For this 25 align challenge, the books I would recommend reading are like self-care books, motivational books, mindset growth books, anything regarding cultivating a better you. This is the book I'm reading. You Are the Placebo. I plan to finish this. You and me and you. Limiting social media interactions. Oh my God. That one is gonna be a kicker as well. It has to be done. It has to be done. You ever just sit there and scroll mindlessly and you're not consuming anything good? You're just sitting there. Dopamine, 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 dopamine. Think about what you're consuming on social media. And if you have to be on social media for your job or work or whatever, just make sure you're consuming positive things and not just doom scrolling, okay? Okay, I'm gonna limit myself to about 3 hours a day, if that, because I like to view social media now as my tool. I like to get inspiration, get ideas, that type of stuff. So that is going to be my intentional. Just be intentional with your social. I'm so sorry. What was that? Be intentional with your social media usage. That's literally it. That's it. Limit yourself on social media. That's it. Daily meditation. 5 to 10 minutes. I'm telling you, something you think like 5 to 10 minutes, that's not enough, or that would be whatever. That's easy. Whatever you're thinking, because it's so small of a number, it's so wonderful. And those 10 minutes, when you get so used to that, I promise you will want more. I promise you will want more. It's so, oh my gosh. Just sitting there in your mind, coming back to the present moment, becoming friends with your brain, I guess. Friends with your environment, friends with everything, just all in one in 10 minutes. If you could do more, which you will gradually start to do more because it's so, do more. But the baseline is 5 to 10 minutes of meditation daily, okay? Number 5 is gratitude practice. Write down 3 to 5 things you're grateful for every day. I have mine in my Boss Lady. I think I got this from Ross or something. This is my gratitude journal. 3 to 5 things daily. Your running shower, your food in the kitchen, your lights working, your legs working, your eyes working, your cell phone working, anything. Gratitude. Think of everything around you and be grateful for what you have in that moment. Number 6, daily affirmations. Create a list of affirmations for yourself. Like, for example, I am worthy, I am enough, I am capable of, I am receiving of love. Like those type of affirmations. But be realistic with yourself, okay? Think of how you would talk to your higher self. Like, what's up, girl? You're bomb. You're sexy. Your body is tea. Stuff like that, like how you would talk to yourself and how you know that you would, like if your homegirl were to say that to you, you would hella absorb that because you're like, oh, my body is tea. Like that type of thing. Like talk to yourself like that. Affirmations, speak it. You are your best friend. We are, yeah. Number 7, physical activity. At least 30 minutes a day. Just 30 minutes a day. You walking on the treadmill, you going for a walk, you going to the gym. I have a treadmill in my living room. It's one of those walking pads I ordered online. 30 minutes of that, I can put on a movie and then walk for 30 minutes. Boom, activity done. You can go on YouTube, do a Pilates at home workout, do an at home cardio workout. Boom, you're done. Number 8, nourishing your body. Making sure you have enough protein throughout the day, enough carbs throughout the day. Make sure you're hydrating. This is our temple, everybody. Like, love it. This is our vessel for greatness. I have a problem with, I don't have like an eating disorder per se. I just forget to eat sometimes and it's just like on the back of my mind unless I know I need to eat. That's one of my issues, but it's like I just forget sometimes and I'm just like, I don't feel like cooking because then cooking leads to dishes and the dishes lead to me being tired, yada, yada, yada. No, cook. Number 9. Acts of kindness. This one can be done either to yourself or to others. I say even a quick act of kindness. If you know somebody is on social media and that's their job and they need you to post a comment for engagement or something like that, post like you look good, or not even for engagement, just say you look good on somebody's random picture. I don't know, that's an act of kindness or an act of kindness to yourself. Don't scroll on that ex's page because you have no business doing that and you know you don't. Number 10, creative expression. Every day, focus on something to do creative. This is my painting I'm doing. I'm an abstract painter. I absolutely love this because any way that you put it, it's an art piece. I'm gonna finish this and I can't wait to show you guys. It doesn't even have to be painting. It could be painting. I don't know why I didn't say the T. Painting, writing, dancing, anything that makes you feel like a child again. Your most authentic self. This challenge is getting aligned to basically your authentic self when you think about it. Wow. This one is gonna glue it all together. I'm telling you. And you will see a difference. I promise you, you will see a difference. Number 11, no negative self-talk. And you're probably thinking, oh, I don't talk to myself negatively. This was not gonna be that hard. It's gonna be a little doozy. You never realize you talk about yourself negatively until you check yourself about talking to yourself negatively. The smallest little crumb of a negative thought, basically refrain yourself from any form of negative self-criticism. Whenever a negative thought pops into your beautiful mind, jab, jab it. Okay, jab it out because we don't need you here, and replace it with a positive thought. Or just correct it. Be like, you can't do this, shut up. You shut up. Boom. I can't wait to see everybody on this journey. Please, 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 y'all, we got this. Let's get aligned to our best version of ourselves. 25 days. The days are gonna go regardless. So why not be intentional of what we're doing? That is my call for breakfast. I will be uploading a video today about my day 1 of the challenge. Let's do this, guys. Teamwork makes the dream work. You already know what I'm about to say. You already know what I'm about to say. Finish the heart. Finish the heart.